Ohio State University Extension uses evaluation of effective extension teaching forms, also known as EEETs, to measure the quality of teaching. When used in conjunction with other kinds of information, these forms provide extensive objective documentation of teaching effectiveness. While using the CART Choose and Request system is recommended for collecting EEETs online, we recognize that sometimes paper forms still need to be used. EEET forms and cover sheets should be prepared by instructors and then collected by a colleague, volunteer, or participant, then placed and sealed in an envelope when completed. After collection, EEETs need to be scanned in and submitted by an office support staff person, someone other than the instructor. If you are tasked with submitting forms, follow the following steps. First, review the cover sheets to ensure the instructor names match the forms. Next, arrange all forms so they are facing in the same direction. You may need to flip them so the side is the same or rotate them. Scan all of the forms, including the cover sheet or sheets, as the first pages. Be sure to use two-sided scanning. Once scanned, rename the file using the format Instructor A last name, Instructor A first initial, event title, year, month, and date. For example, Buckeye B _ Be a Good Buckeye _ 2025-01-31. Next, open a browser such as Firefox, Google Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. Navigate to go.osu.edu/EEET instructions. Once on the page, you'll see all of the instructions that I'm going over now, and if you scroll down, you'll find a form called Paper EEET Submission Form. First, enter your name and your email. If we have any questions, we will contact you at this email address. Click Next. Now you'll enter the information as found on the cover sheet, starting with the title of the presentation, date of the presentation, the number of forms collected, and the name of the person collecting forms. If this is blank, simply type blank on cover sheet. Next, you'll select what type of form was used. This should be marked on the cover sheet, but if it is not, you can find it on the first page of the EEET form. Select a language if something other than English. If they indicated that an online EEET was also used, change this to yes. Next, add the instructor's email. If there is only one instructor, put it under Instructor A. If there are multiple instructors, enter their emails in fields A through D in the order that they are found on the response form. Finally, upload the file that you scanned. Either click Choose Files and select your file, or drag and drop it onto this page. Once uploaded, click Submit. You will receive an email stating that you submitted the forms. Feel free to forward this to the instructors. After you have completed the scan and uploaded the file to the web form, be sure to fill in the For Office Personnel Use Only box on the back of the cover sheets before placing the forms back in the envelope and returning them to the instructor, or Instructor A if it's a multiple instructor form. This is an important step as it is the only way for instructors to read any written comments left by participants. Written comments are not processed or uploaded to the EEET dashboard from paper forms. To view the status of the EEET in the data entry process, go to go.osu.edu/paper EEET status report. This table will show you all of the forms that have been submitted and where they are in the process. You'll be able to find your form with the status of new if you just submitted it. Use Control F to search by name or instructor email. Once the data has been processed, the status will change to Uploaded to Dashboard. This is when the instructor will be able to see the summary of their scores in the Tableau EEET dashboard located at go.osu.edu/EEET_dashboards.